Hi, my name is Perry Dreiman. I've been a member of the Los Angeles Philharmonic percussion section for 29 seasons. And I first started playing drums when I was 5 years old. My earliest musical memory was when I was 5 years old. I received a drum set for Christmas from my parents. And little known to me, it had paper drum heads. So when I lit into my first Beatles song, they didn't last very long. Matter of fact, they didn't make it to the 26th. I've been a musician my whole life, and now it's my livelihood and one of my greatest sources of joy. The Los Angeles Philharmonic and all big orchestras play some of the most amazing music ever created, and it's a privilege to be able to perform it. I've had the opportunity with the LA Philharmonic to tour the world. We've played for all kinds of audiences in Europe, Asia, South America, Mexico, Canada. I'm probably forgetting a few places. And it's been really a great way to see the world and bring great music to a diverse audience. It's also a thrill to play at our home venue, the Walt Disney Concert Hall, and look out there and see 2,675 people sitting on the edge of their seat, listening to every note we play. And the Hollywood Bowl is 18,000 people, and a lot of times they're just screaming at the top of their lungs, and that's really cool. We had a concert a while back. It was called the Three Tenors, where the Phil accompanied these famous three tenors at Dodger Stadium, and there was over 40,000 people there. That was really a highlight. It was really cool to walk on the outfield grass, too. My reasons for being involved in this project are you, the kids, the students that are working with this. And because I feel like music to me has really enriched my life. I've made a career out of it, and it's a wonderful thing. And students that are beginning, I hope you have the same opportunity to enrich your lives, and even if you don't become musicians, you'll be better for it. And knowing that you are the future, I'm really excited to bring this to you.